Well, hello there. Let's make a hot and cheesy crab dip. It has crab meat, all kinds of cheeses, lemon, and spices, and is the ultimate party appetizer. Let's get started. First, I'll make some crostini by slicing up this baguette, brushing with olive oil and garlic, and toasting under the broiler for about a minute on each side. Now let's make the dip. In a bowl, add cream cheese, sour cream, 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and the juice from half a lemon. Using a hand mixer, beat that really well until it's completely combined. Then drain and add 1 can of crab meat. You can absolutely use fresh crab if you can afford it. Sometimes it has this annoying paper in the can. Don't forget to fish it out, pun intended.
You're a monster.
Now gently fold in that crab. You don't want to mash it into oblivion. The last thing I'm going to add is a half a cup of Italian blend cheese and some chives. This is optional, but if you used garlic on your crostini, you can grate that in too. Add that mixture to a skillet and top with more cheese. Bake at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes until it's hot and bubbly, and then put it under the broiler for about 5 minutes so the cheese gets nice and browned. Serve with those crostinis you made, or you can also use crackers or soft pretzels or vegetable crudité. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do give me a like and subscribe. Here are a couple more appetizers you might like to try. Thanks for watching.